Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. I hope you're having a good day out there. If you're new here, please consider hitting subscribe below. It's completely free, always will be. Leave me a comment, everybody. I really love hearing from my YouTube family. That's what I really think of everyone that watches me. Today I have some gel polishes sent to me by Rosalind. This was off of Amazon. It's a 2-piece gel polish set. And let me get this out and show you. It does come completely sealed on both ends. And here's the back. This is a pink and glitter kit. It comes in this I like these velvet trays that they're just so secure, nothing falls out. In this set, it comes with number 41, which you can see right here, it's a pink. So you want to keep this part of the bottle away from your lights, your lamps and lights. So keep that in mind whenever you have a little peekaboo window. And this is W02. This is typically a topper to wear over any other color. You've seen it in a previous video of mine where I played around with some that were just like this. And I want to play around with this. I will link another video to another Rosalind colors I had up above. I just want to play around and see what I get. I had the black bottles before, but I haven't had the white ones. Oh, and these are 15 milliliters or 0.5 fluid ounces. The pink seems to be a little bit of a thinner gel polish, but some people like thinner, some people like thicker, and different arts requires different thicknesses, viscosities, if I want to use the proper term. I'm going to leave at least one nail solid. I think I'm going to try to use it as a topper on another nail, the glitter as a topper on another nail, and I want to try to do some designs, see what they look like over just my nails. And you do want, with gel polish, you do want to kind of do it sideways, parallel to your nail surface. It's really hard when you're filming to do it that way. You don't want to swipe like a gel, like a regular nail polish. You just kind of float it on. It's really, really hard when you're filming. If you've never filmed yourself doing your own nails, you will be surprised. Okay, I'm thinking these two I'm gonna do something different with. No, maybe just this one. I wanna do it as a topper as well. Let me skip. I think I'm gonna do my thumb and my middle finger. Oops. Longer nails, my nails are long. I just shortened them and they're still long. You want to apply to the ends, and I have really thick sidewalls, so I need to get like really up in there. The thinner kind of allows me to get closer to the sidewalls, but then since I didn't cure as I go, you can have flooding troubles. Just wipe it off. It's going to be a little different for me because I am using my Peel Ease Peel Off Base Coat. It doesn't like normal, if you're using the base gel that they have, their base gel or any base gel, it will settle right onto the base gel a lot better. But since I skipped that, I only used the peel off. But you can use the peel off with a regular base gel. I just think pink's such a happy, loving color. It reminds me of like a school time crush. And really, you don't want to get it all over your skin like I am. I am just making a mess. I'm out of practice doing my nails. I'm going to give those a cure, a second coat and a cure, and then I'm going to play with these two nails with something else. Okay, I've got them all cured. I had a change of plans. This one only did one coat, cured it for 30 seconds, and my lamps do vary, so I don't usually mention the time. I need some cuticle oil on bed. I decided I'm going to use this nail to play around with the two colors individually, but I wanted to give you two examples of the color, the pink color, which is number 41 without the topper on it. And look at this, look at this. You can see how it would look over over white, over black. Well, that's kind of clear. How look over clear and over black, totally different looks. Every color you put it on is going to look different. So I'm going to leave this one. This is the one I only did one coat on, so I'll do this over this. I really want these two. One coat don't look too bad. I think I did better when I was off camera. So I'm going to do these two with the topper-like color. It's working very well. I really like that. That is so cute. We'll see how well it works over no color when I do my thumb. I'm going to try to do it over no color so you can see the effect. I haven't even looked at it myself to see if it'll even show up, so we're going to be in this together. Just kind of bulldoze your color up to your skin, but not touching it. I actually leave a little extra room. You don't want any glitter over the free edge. Maybe even take another gel brush and just wipe the glitter off your free edge, otherwise you'll have a bump. I'm going to give this a cure and then we'll come back and play with the two colors on this nail by itself. So this is 41 by itself, this is with W02 on top, and we're going to play with them separately and just see what they would look like by themselves. Who knows? I kind of dig in the idea of a topper by itself on my nails. I've done that before. I'm not used to the formula, so I'm going to have to get used to it real quick. I put a little bit too much on. I'm going to have to get out a smaller brush just to place it around where I want it. So I heard from Anastasia that if you put a wet lip-free white with alcohol on, you tap it, if you have extra, it'll wick away. Some of the extra. It doesn't seem to be working that great for me, but you know, it's my first time trying it. Let's try it dry. Does wick away better wet. I wouldn't have done this if I would have did it a little bit thinner. I'm going to give this a cure just so that I don't goof up what I already have. And with cream gel polishes, remember you always want to give them a full cure unless they're translucent. I've just had horrible lumps and bumps and shrinkage if I partially cure them. A couple of them I've been able to do, you know, a flash cure, and I don't know now how I ever was able to do that. I have no idea, because I did it with a black and white early on, and that's just shouldn't be even possible to do. You know what? I should have put the pink on first. That would have been a lot easier. Let me wipe this off. So a little easier would be to go ahead and put my pink on. I could have did that before I cured it. But I wasn't thinking what I wanted to do until I just sat here and I saw how it was flowing. This one I will be putting 2 layers on the tip, especially since it's the tip of my fingernail, for chips and what have you. So let me give this a cure like I should have done in the first place. Okay, this is what I should have done to begin with. Now I could either do like I was going to do and just fill up the center, kind of like a geode nail, like this. Or I could just take the easy way out and cover the entire nail. And if you keep it parallel, you should get most of your depositing where your nail is thinner at. So this would be like 2 coats of coverage in the center, and the rest would be like 1 coat. Oh, I'm loving this a lot. I wish I would have did this on all of my nails now. Oh my word. I was going to do that here. I really wish I did now. Oh, I love it. I'm going to give this a cure. I have some of their top coat that I have from stylenails.com. They sent me. And I'm just going to use that. And if you want to add gems or pearls or whatever, it's up to you and your creative mind. I just wanted to, I can't remember what the top coat felt like since the last time I used it, so I just wanted to see it. I'm going to dare to try to top coat this nail in at the same time. Usually I do them separately just because you can get wonkiness in the nail lamp. Okay everyone, I gave them both a nice top coat. I'm really loving how smooth it feels. It's a very smooth gel polish, even with the glitters. I love that. And my funky little nail that I'm really in love with is nice and smooth as well. I did put the gel polish on and turn it over for just a couple of seconds to make sure that it was leveled out nicely. I probably could have held it upside down for just a few more seconds and I would have had it a little bit better. But my phone was ringing and I had a whole bunch of trouble. Thank you everyone for watching. Thank you Rosalind for sending these beautiful colors out to me. I'm really digging them. Thank you everyone. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate every single minute you watch. Comment down below which kind of nail design would be your favorite. I'm really digging this one. This is just cool to me. Well, thank you everyone. I'm sorry I'm rambling on. Thank you. Until next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye bye.